This is my cup that I absolutely just love, and it is so reflective of me. Layla does not like to eat her food out of a bowl, so that's why it's on this mat. She is just a sweet little peculiar baby. Layla's out here just a playing. It is around, what time is it? It's 10:05 a.m. on this Sunday morning, and it is pretty comfortable, surprisingly. It's 78 degrees. It has been dang near 100 degrees here, guys, every day. So I will take 78. A little humid, but I'll take it, you know. I was going to show you, too, some of the plants, our flowers up front. We finally got some rain showers last night. Guys, I wanted to share with you, this is by far one of my favorite perfumes. I don't know if you can see it here on camera, but it's the Versace Bright Crystal. It's amazing. This is definitely one of my favorites of all time. So definitely try this if you have not. Let me know if you have, and just let me know. There it is. It's better. Yeah, but it smells so good. My husband got this for me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. But this is a game changer, guys. If you haven't tried it, please do. Please do. It is amazing. And this came with the set. This came with the lotion also, and the body wash that I really don't use a lot of, but that's what it is. So try it. Let me know if you have in the comments section, and give me some suggestions. I would love that, because I'm just a creature of habit. And there are what did somebody say? It was something along the lines, like, I forgot what perfume it was. But anyway, in a nutshell, I think it was a YouTuber, was saying that this perfume is excellent for those 30 and under. And I've never heard of that. So I didn't know if there's such a thing. Is there kind of an age restriction on certain perfumes? I don't know. I'm just out of the loop with that. I just love smell good. So whatever works for me, I don't care if it's for the 20-year-olds or what, I'm gonna wear it. But anyway, we're about to get ready and head out, but on my way out, I want to show you our beautiful bushes in the front and our flowers. They're finally blooming beautifully. We have been so dry here, so that rain was much needed and just very necessary. I wanted to show you this too. This is our mirror that we got Layla. Sorry about that, guys. Layla follows me everywhere, but we got this mirror at Kirklands. Oh my God, this thing is so huge. It doesn't really show well on camera, but it was on sale and we absolutely loved it. This wall is just huge. So we don't have anything else on the sides yet. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything. This mirror was a must have. I wanted a mirror in our walkway from the front door here. And then this lamp, it's okay. I think I got this at Target. I just needed something, but I need something that stands out, that doesn't blend as much with the tabletop here, with the console table. I think that's it. But this is just little things I put here. This is our little Layla. Don't you see how much we love her? But I need something else. This is just stuff really thrown over here, guys. But this mirror is everything. Okay, so like around the holidays when we hosted Thanksgiving last year, and I really wanted to decorate this for like the holidays around the mirror, but I didn't. But I think we will this year, so I'm excited about that. So you know the holidays are coming before you know it. And this mirror, guys, right here next to our guest bathroom downstairs, this mirror is amazing. I love it. We actually got this from a guy selling it on Facebook Marketplace. We absolutely love it. It's just really, it fits so perfectly right here in this space. But he sold this thing. This thing's going like, seriously, it's really heavy, so we have it mounted well. But I think in the store, it was going for like $300 or something. And we got this baby for like $100, I believe. And it's so heavy and so nice. It is nice. My husband saw this and he's like, I'm going to get it. I was like, I love it, so let's do it. But yeah, but I really want to just kind of change up things. And leading into that, I'm going to show you this room. This is just my office, my home office. But I want to change this up. I mean, I love the color of the curtains. Let's see, it's not enough light in here. Hold on. It's kind of dark. It's gloomy outside. But I love my front, the window of my office. So I definitely want it in the front of the house. But this, you know, the doors here in this room kind of take up some space. I wish it was somewhere else because I could do a decorative like shelf wall here and then have my desk facing this way still, but not against the wall. But I have my Mac in here, and I think I'm gonna paint. I want an accent wall somewhere, somehow, and maybe turn this desk this way. And that way this can be my shelves. And when I'm on Zoom calls or Teams calls, I'll have a beautiful background. You know what I'm saying? Behind me, like those, what's it called? It looks like wood panels on it, or just do shelves. I'm going to talk to my husband today, actually. We may have to go to Home Depot. What do you think? You think mommy should change up the office? You're always in there with me. Yeah. Wayfair, you're right on time. We got this, I believe it was at TJ Maxx, and I love it. And this chair that's in here, that's really just in here because we didn't have space and I refused to let go of it. So this would go to the next house we move into or whatever, but it does work. But like I said, if the closet was not right here on this wall, it would be perfect just to put this catter corner, but we still can because I never really go into this closet. But you see what I'm saying. I think I want the change. And look at Layla. She's looking out the outside. But yeah, but I will keep this chair. It's probably going to be moved because it's not going to be enough space once I really decorate how I want. April 19th, which is my mother's birthday. I guess that's the last time I updated my cute little calendar block. Isn't this adorable? A friend of mine got this for me, and it just comes out and you just change like the months. It goes around here and you have 3 of these. Then you have 2 of these boxes, and each one just has the appropriate month here on it. So where are we? July. So look at all this. I am so behind. But it's so cute. Let's change it. So what's today? Oh my gosh. Today is flying, I tell you that. Is it the 21st? Yep. Isn't that cute though? I just wanted to show that to you. You remember these trees that everybody had, these kind of decorative, artificial trees? I lined it with lights a long time ago, guys. And it was cute, and it served the purpose when we first came here, and I would just have the lights, on at night if I'm working and it's dark. In the winter months when it gets dark early. Let's see. All right, it's stretched a little bit, but oops, I'm about to fall. But you can't really see it in here. Let me close these blinds. But the lights are on, and it's not picking up on camera. But anyway, the lights are on here, and it was just so kind of relaxing and so serene. But yeah, I don't know if I want to keep this. So this tree may be gone, guys. Hubby will go with whatever. He's such a good hubby. But I don't know if I really want to invest the time and money on shelves in here. I don't know, but I do want an accent wall, whether it's paint or something. I love my green. It's just soothing. I love this green, and you can't see that here. Let's get some light on it. Can you see that? It's a soft green. But I love this color. I love it. So I want to keep these. And these were not cheap, okay? So I go all the way to the ceiling. So I want to keep these curtains. I'm not going to change that. But I want to kind of add a bold color maybe to this wall. I think that would really be awesome. And then, because I spend so much time in here as I work remotely, so I really want it to be cozy. Here we are. Look at the lights. Maybe that light was on it. But that's what that tree looks like. And I think I want to get rid of it, to be honest. I think those days have sailed, okay? But yep, that's my idea. Let me know what you think and what color I should look into if I want to keep these green curtains. So that's what's on the agenda, I think, today. I think we're going to pivot some. You hear Layla coming, right? Come on in, baby. Come on. Yeah, there you go. But yes, guys, I am so excited about this project that we may actually just go to Lowe's or Home Depot and just at least look around, get some pricing. But I would absolutely love shelves like right here, like where my computer is now. just, right here. And then of course the desk kind of turned this way. I would love that. And to have a really aesthetic background, when you're on Teams calls, it's always good. So I love yellow, guys. That's another thing. My favorite color is yellow. So I don't know, yellow and green like this just really I don't know, it makes me just happy. But I want it kind of bold in here. So give me some ideas if you don't mind. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. Hey guys, we're back home, and I know I was supposed to be shopping for office decor, etc., but we ran across this beautiful piece and had to have it. So we added it here near the entrance. This is some picture frames, and I just love this ladder effect. So my husband saw this and just fell in love. I don't know if you can see on camera, but this is like a green color. And that's fine. Our walls are kind of like this grayish blue. It's a gray, but it's kind of weird and it's not catching on camera. But the frames here are like this, I wouldn't even say a mint green, but like a pea green or a sage green maybe. And then you have your kind of brown, and then you have, what's down here, a lighter tan green color. And then this is a deeper brown, but this is like an 8x10. This one is a 5x7. I think another, what is that? Maybe 5x7, 4x6, 4x6, 5x7. We just love it. So we're going to fill these picture frames up with some of our family favorites, but it goes so well right here, and we just love it. So hopefully next weekend I'll find me some things for the office, but this is what we have today.